Hey guys, it's your girl Shay. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this really cute hairstyle by extending my 18-inch locks into 36 inches. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Alright y'all, so the first thing you're going to need to do is shingle your hair, of course, because that's going to be the base of this entire look. So I'm just showing you guys my braid pattern. All of my parts are like straight, but they're gonna get the job done. So the hair I'm gonna be using today is just the Distressed Soft Lock crochet hair. I purchased these from Bahamian. So the first bundle is how it comes. There's 21 pieces in each bundle. That was the 18-inch, and this here is what it's gonna look like once I attach them. Hey girl, so I just thought I'd pop in really quick just to show you guys my progress. So it was literally like 2 a.m., almost 2 a.m. in the morning. All the oils from my hair and my scalp was like all over my face and neck. So yeah, please excuse that. But so far, this is what I had going on. I just wanted to make sure you guys would actually be able to see. And then we did a little stand test, and you literally can't even see the end of the locks in the full screen. So what does that tell you, sis? Okay, so I'm back. I basically did my entire head off camera. Honestly, I kind of feeling it. Like, and it's like it's not heavy, even though it's like really long. It's not heavy. It doesn't have a lot of tension on my head. It's what I really needed, and I kind of getting into. Anyway, I came back to show y'all how I actually install the lock in my head, and then how I get it from 18 inches to 36 inches. Okay guys, so just for the record, this is one that I've already extended, and you can't even tell, right? Okay, so you're gonna get your two 18-inch locks. Wait, this one kind of straggly. Let me pick a next one. Alright, so I'm gonna get here two 18-inch locks, and what I do is like I look at them, and this one has like a better loop, so I'm gonna use this one as the base, and this one, you know, and this one's smaller at the top as well, so this is gonna be easier to attach in my opinion. So you're gonna take the end of the lock you've decided is gonna be your base. You're gonna get your pintail comb. I recommend a pintail just because it's really small, so I feel like it'll be more clean and precise. And you're just going to unravel the lock. I hope y'all could really see. Also, please excuse my bite up nails, but I had to take my nails off because I can't do my hair with nails on. So just unravel it into two pieces. So it should look like this. Sometimes I open it a little. It just depends. Yeah, it should look like this. And you're gonna take your lock that you've decided is gonna be the end piece, and you're just gonna open the loop. I like to just push my finger through. Open the loop. We're gonna slide one side in. So this should be what you're working with. So if you're smart, you probably caught on to the next step. Now we're gonna take these two end pieces and tie a little knot. When I tie the knot, I like to also pull. Sorry, my camera cut off. Anyway, so when I tie it, I like to also pull. I just think it makes like the hair stretch out, so everything's more seamless. So now with the two end pieces, you're gonna take one and wrap it upward, like going toward the top of the lock. The other one we're gonna wrap going toward the bottom of the lock. So we're gonna start with the one going to the top first, and I normally just follow like the curl pattern of the hair. So I think that's like clockwise, I think. So we're just gonna take that and wrap. I hope y'all could see what's going on with scents. And y'all, I know my nails look bad and bite up, man. Don't kill me. Alright, so the top piece is done. For the bottom, I really hope y'all could see in my camera in focus. So you hold it there and then wrap. Be sure that you want to wrap it like twice around the piece where the knot is, and then just carry on smartly. So after you're done wrapping, I'm gonna take the lock, put it in the palm of your hands, and just rub. Now, for how long you need to do that for, it depends on the lock and how good you wrapped it. This one I didn't do so good, so. Alright. Voila. Then sometimes I go in with a little got2b glue spray. Just a little bit. I don't do that for every single lock, but when I feel like I need to. Practically seamless, right? Okay, so to attach the lock, you're gonna take your crochet needle. Sorry, y'all, I got a field break because I can't see. But maybe you find though. And just push it underneath your hair while it's open. Take the loop, hook it in, close the latch, pull through. Very simple. You want to push the lock through. Try to be gentle when you do that, because you know it is a distress lock, but you don't want to make the hairstyle look more distressed than it has to. So then normally I just take my hair and the lock and then I pull so that I can tighten it as much as I can. Then I feel for like which way the lock is curling, you know. That make any sense? So once I get a feel for that, I'm gonna take my hair and pull, and then take the lock and wrap it around. So I go around my root, or the root of my braid, a couple of times, just because it makes it look more neat, you know. And John, if you're looking at my parts, you know, I do them by myself and again I see properly, so they look crooked. You just keep going around. You just want to follow through until the end of your hair. Also be sure not to unravel the lock like too far while you're doing this, because sometimes that happens and then it loses its way and its curl and you just fucked up a whole lock, you know. So this isn't my first time using this technique. I think I did this like twice or 3 times before, this technique with faux lock installation, but this is my first time trying to extend it, so maybe I'll do like an updated video, because I want to try to keep this hairstyle in for 3 weeks, hopefully, because I changed my hair so much, but I'm aiming for 3 weeks, or if I could, you know, like push it, you know. So maybe I'll do an update and let y'all know like how it's going and maintenance and stuff, because I'm probably gonna have to refresh it because my hair is pretty curly, so, and I do sweat a lot in my hair, so you know that means like once it gets wet it's gonna curl up even more. So yeah. Now sometimes I go all the way to the end of my hair, but like this little piece right there, that's my hair. So I'm just gonna take it and wrap it around the lock. And I do find that when I do this, it kind of gets more secure. I don't know, maybe it's just in my head. So then I take the whole lock and I twist it just a little bit more, tighten it up, and pull, and then. So this is just like a sped up clip for you guys to just have like a mini recap of what I was doing. I'm not gonna really talk through this part because you can kind of basically see everything that's going on, even though my camera's not in focus. But I'm just gonna answer some of the questions that I've been getting from you guys for the past couple of days. So I want to say I have like between 50 to 53 individual locks in my hair. A lot of you have been asking like how many. The hairstyle is really light. It's not heavy at all. Super light. I don't have like any tension or anything like that on my edges, which is really good. What else were you guys asking me? Oh yeah, so I got the hair from Bahamian. The 18-inch bundles were $10 each. Initially I only got 4 because I didn't do my braids yet. So once I did my braids I realized I needed more, so I had to get more to make another bundle. So that left me with I think 63 individual locks after I extended them, and I didn't need to use all, so I do have a few left over. I also bought some hair to wrap the locks in, but I didn't even end up using that. So yeah, it was like really easy to do. The locks, they do look real small. I was a bit concerned, but it was really easy for me to just open them up and wrap them around my hair, so that wasn't like a major concern. So these are some photos from the next day, and all I have to say is, oh my gosh, this look came out so freaking cute. I loved it so much. Y'all can literally see how long the hair is. It's like almost to the back of my knee, and sister girl, it is giving, okay? Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Comment down below, let me know what y'all think about this. Let me know if you've tried this style or you want to try this style. This, like, honestly, if you do try it, you ain't gonna regret it. Like, this is so cute. And as always, please remember, if you can be good, be careful. I'ma see y'all later. Bye.
I woke up like this. I woke up like this. Ladies,